Hi guys, how are you doing? So today I'm gonna show you how to make quinoa chicken salad. So this is a dish that's very refreshing, it's very light, and it's very easy to make. So let's start cooking. Here's our ingredients for our quinoa chicken salad. Wash quinoa about 3 to 4 times. Place it in a small pot and then put 2 cups of water. Place over medium heat and bring it to a boil. Reduce to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes or until tender and the liquid is absorbed. While quinoa is cooking, season chicken breast with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Add the oil, then place the chicken in the pan and cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes each side and cover and set it aside. Make sure not to overcook your chicken breast. Take the quinoa and flop it with fork and set it aside. In a mason jar, combine olive oil, lemon, honey, balsamic vinegar, garlic, salt, and pepper. Then mix it well. In a large bowl, combine quinoa, red onion, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, cucumber, and cherry tomatoes, then mix it well. Thinly slice the chicken breast. Combine quinoa and vinaigrette, then mix it well. Our quinoa chicken salad is done. It's time to eat.